Welcome to Elephant Money, the first decentralized global community bank of its kind. This permissionless system is built for economic inclusion for participants of any size and helps its community accumulate wealth through active and passive cash flows in a sustainable ecosystem that grows by reinforcing itself in any market condition. The Elephant token is a reflection token that rewards participants passively for simply holding it without the need to stake or farm. A transactional tax of 10% for buys, sells, and transfers reflect tokens back to all holders and locked liquidity, including the Graveyard and the Elephant Treasury, aka Bertha. The Graveyard always holds 50% of Elephant's 1 quadrillion token supply and accumulates tokens from transactions to grow to 51% before an auto-balancing event occurs to reinforce locked liquidity, bolstering token price. The Elephant Treasury is a friendly whale that continually grows and never dumps on you. This will squeeze Elephant token's price upwards for exponential asset growth. Elephant Money Futures is a high-yield cash flow engine that earns 0.5% daily. Deposit a minimum of 200 BUSD and immediately start earning yield insured by the Elephant Treasury, where asset growth exponentially outpaces liabilities by design. Auto-compound your rewards on every deposit. For example, you can earn up to a $1 million balance in 3 years with weekly deposits, having only spent 32,000 BUSD. Choose your own deposit schedule, claims deduct from your balance, and has 1% partner rewards. Trunk is the ecosystem's yield token that operates in a stable range up to $1. Staking is a taxless contract that allows you to compound profits and withdraw your full deposit at any time. The Elephant Treasury supports the price of Trunk and the redemption queue, where cheap Trunk is burned yet redeemed dollar for dollar. Stampede is the Trunk token's bonding system that works exactly like futures described earlier, except with Trunk token, and the APR is peg adjusted to Trunk's price. Elephant Money Farms are a taxless, high-yield, and trustless savings and income portfolio system where you can pair Trunk with your favorite blue-chip assets to farm Trunk rewards with zero impermanent loss. You can withdraw your principal risk-free at any time. Reward rates range from 12.5% to 125% APR, and are also peg adjusted to Trunk price. Entering the farms is most advantageous when Trunk is below peg, since the value engine is based on Trunk's price performance. For example, if you create your farm position with $10,000 total while Trunk is at 50 cents, then your farm value doubles to $20,000 when Trunk 2x's back to $1. Farms offer 1% partner rewards on yield. Farmers Depot is the best way to obtain cheap Trunk, liquid to your wallet. You can buy Trunk for 25 cents BUSD or higher with zero slippage. Purchase Trunk is paid out at 3.33% daily and has 1% partner rewards. Our partner network allows you to leverage your social network to onboard and reward new participants. Elephant Money is the latest iteration in the evolution of several successful protocols with a consistently increasing market cap. Now is the time to invest and realize solid gains in any market condition.